I think today's event adds to the efforts and the work being done in the alternative asset class to deepen it and also ensure a more holistic development. And great appreciation to GVCA as well as E&E and all the sponsors. I mean, the research work that has been done gives us primary data that helps us in analyzing private equity investments in this asset class. We're excited to be part of this conversation, and we believe that today's discussions will go a long way. One, to support the development of the private equity investments, and then more importantly, to also inspire trustees to seriously consider allocating more resources in the private equity space. And thanks to all that supported in the research work and then also brought this program together.